Hey my loves, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I am Indu and I make content on beauty and lifestyle. Okay, so before we even get started with the actual tips and tricks, I think it is very important to make sure whether your product is even able to do the job correctly. And by that I mean that make sure that your product is not dried out completely or it is not expired. And how you can check the expiration date of a mascara is by simply looking for this kind of a symbol, or like simply checking whether it has written like use before and all of that sorts, and that's how you check whether your mascara is in check or not. Also, if your mascara is dried out completely, it won't be able to do the job correctly, right? So when I feel like my mascara has dried out, like a quick fix, what I like to do is take little bit of warm water in a cup and simply dip my mascara tube in that warm water for around like 5 to 6 minutes, and then I take it out of the warm water, let it cool down completely, and trust me, you would be able to use the mascara for a couple more times. And even after using this trick you are not able to use the mascara for a couple more times, I think this is a high time that you get a new mascara. Also, I just want to mention something, that doing this trick won't turn your mascara like into a brand new mascara. However, you would be able to use it for a couple more times. Alright, so now that you are in check, let's move on to the next trick, and that is curling your lashes. Now, curling your lashes makes a huge difference. Trust me on that. I used to think that curling करने से उतना भी कोई difference नहीं आता है, but curling makes a huge difference. It gives you like that extra support to your lashes and keeps them up all day long. Trust me on that. So try to curl your lashes before you apply mascara. It will make a huge difference. Moving on to the next one, and that is remove the excess mascara from the wand. Now usually what happens is when we take out the wand from the mascara tube, it usually picks up excess mascara products, and when you directly apply that wand into your lashes, it clumps up the lashes and does not look good. So always make sure to scrape off all the mascara. What you can do is take little bit of a tissue paper and wipe off the excess, or if you are confused like me, what you can do is you can simply scrape the wand on the tube, and when you put the wand back into the tube, the mascara, like the excess mascara, will get back into the tube. Okay, now the next trick is for someone who haven't been removing the excess mascara and now you have been ended up with a clumpy lash. What you can do is remove the excess mascara by simply using a clean spoolie. I always like to use this trick whenever I feel like I want a natural looking lash even though I'm applying a mascara. So that's when I do this trick. I take a clean spoolie and simply brush the lashes, and it will just pick up all the excess mascara and leave your lashes looking like fluttery and like separate all the lashes. Now moving on to the next one, and this is very important if you are building up your mascara. That is, if you are planning to use like a second coat of mascara, make sure that you apply the second coat of mascara as quickly as possible. I mean, like basically apply the second or the third coat when your mascara is still wet. Do not apply your second or third coat of mascara when your first coat of mascara is dried out completely. Otherwise it will clump up again, and it can also, I don't know if you have seen, but sometimes you end up having like black fallouts from the mascara. That's what it happens when you apply the second coat of mascara on the dried lashes. Okay, now moving on to the last one, and this is like the most important one, that is the technique of using the mascara or applying the mascara. What I like to do is I start off by simply placing the wand on the roots of my lashes and roll the mascara, and then just simply drag it upwards. Do not roll it all the way up till your length. Just roll it on the roots and then drag it upwards. You can actually look at the motion of my hand so that it's easier for you guys to understand what I mean to say. It might be a little bit uncomfortable in the beginning, but just practice. It will be completely fine once you are like in the habit of doing your mascara in that trick. And yes, with that being said, we have come to an end of the video. I hope you liked the video and it was helpful for you guys. If you like it, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you like the video overall, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That will mean the absolute world to me. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.